Welcome to Creative Connector's Skinny Shelf installation. Let us show you how it works. There are many uses for the skinny shelf: spice rack, pantry storage, gift wrap station. Can be placed at any height and fits well behind the door. Using the template provided, place the screw where the connector is to be installed. Level the template. Mark where all the 8 holes are to be drilled. Drill the holes. Secure the plugs in place. Screw the connectors into the plugs. Screw the 2-hole connectors to the top and bottom set of holes near the back of the uprights. Place the wider part of the opening over the connector and slide it down. Repeat this on the other upright. Slide the shelf over top of the connectors and push to the wall. Place an item on the bottom shelf to determine the height of your next shelf and screw the connectors into place. Install a retainer bar in the front holes by bending them slightly. Thank you for showing an interest in Creative Connectors. Call us anytime.